Hello, my name is Giving Lulanti, also known as Poetic G. And the person that's helping me out today with my poetry is my boy Cody, Ukulele Uhi, the master of ukulele here at Kearns. And the piece that we're about to perform to you guys today is known as Junk Food. So I hope you enjoy. The moment you leave my presence, girl, I get a heart attack because I want you so bad. No, I want you right now, as if you were McDonald's Big Mac. Yes, McDonald's Big Mac with extra mac sauce and extra lettuce, looking all good and scrumptious like ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. No, girl, I'm loving you. And don't think that I'm crazy or quite the foolish dude just because I try to prepare your love as if you're some type of food. Because, girl, realize you satisfy my soul as if you were a Snicker bar. As I love you just the way you are, as you are juicy like a pack of Starburst. Though if you deny my love, my heart will just burst. As you are magically delicious like Lucky Charms, and it will mean the world to me to have you holding my arm. Picture you and I, a perfect date. Like Frosted Flakes, it'll be more than good. It'll be great. Though you should know that you will always be my first. Like Gatorade, your love seems to quench my thirst. And yet, when it comes to your personality, now that is what I like. Can't get enough of you as if you were my Mike and Ike's. And yet, I have diabetes, so I had to stop taking sugar for my own good sake. But how can I when you're sweet like a chocolate milkshake? And when I talk to you, sometimes you got me going dumb, as if I'm a sucker when it comes to you, as if I were a dum-dum. So I guess you could say that I'm a real fat boy, as my love is creamy like an ice cream fat boy. So I hope my poem isn't too hard to understand, that I really dig you, because you got me hooked, as if you were my favorite junk food. By yours truly, Poetic G. Thank you.